This is my staging area in the far back wall where I usually speak to you all about the video I'm going to be working on and presenting today. This is the before. This is part of the declutter of this whole section. You can see there's a lot of stuff here, and most of it I don't even use. It needs to be in other places. It needs to be organized, decluttered, and I'll be taking you through this journey once again. It's an ongoing process. I'm right near the art studio, which I've done a video on, and I'll put a link of that somewhere up above here. But stick around. This is going to be quite interesting, and hopefully it'll actually look better when I'm done with it. And in the process of decluttering, make sure you go through all of your items so you know exactly what you have. This bucket, clothes and more clothes. I've got to sort through these, see what's going to be getting donated and what's going to be getting put in its proper place, and I continue on. This bucket will be getting put aside for now because I don't want to stop the progression of moving things out of the way. Be sure to take a moment to keep hydrated during this work. Just sorting through some of these books, and you never know what you might find. This is an old songbook from a gentleman named Fred Small. Not my brother, but could be a relative. And a cassette that my dad had put together as Old Cousin Johnny. Old camcorder. Lots of jewel cases. Energy-saving lamps that were purchased and not used. We'll see if we have a place for those. That would really make sense here. I might add this to my art studio. I've got to look into this a little bit more. If not, they'll be getting donated, and yeah, we'll make sure they don't go to waste. There's 3 of them in here. One is a clips onto the side of a table that you can use for extra light, and one is more of a desk lamp. 2 of them are desk lamps, and that's about all we've got in here. This box has a fake floor that I drew, and I will be using this for my mouse book illustrations. More books and art supplies. These are watercolor pencils. These are more graphite pencils. So the books are going to be getting sorted. They might be art-related books, and the graphite pencils and watercolor pencils will go over into my art studio. The blankets, quilts, some linens. Those are going to be getting folded up and put into the linen basket. This rocking chair will probably be staying down here. I've got to see if there's a space for it in the living room. If not, it will be staying here, which is fine because I use rocking chairs all the time. So the area is pretty much cleared out. From here over is going to be the staging area, and I'll be setting up a table back there and a chair, so I'll be doing some of the presentations or talking to you all from back there. In this space right in front of me, we may try to keep this as open space, but the rocking chair may be coming back here. What is on the table in the back which is an old typewriter, will probably be staying there as part of the staging and for display. The pictures on the back wall are staying for now. Everything on the wall is staying. Everything will be getting put back. What I'll be using will be getting put back now. After I clean the area a little bit more, the floors need to be swept and mopped and dusted off. And we've got a couple of extra chairs in this area now, which I'll be bringing to the dining area upstairs. So slow progress, but it's getting there. Time to get those floors clean. Get in all the corners. And here comes a helper. It's our golden doodle, Bondi. He likes to supervise. Right, Bondi? Hey, where's he going now? You're a good boy. And the final cleaning process, mopping those floors. And just a couple of decluttering tips if you're feeling, that this is a little bit of a daunting process. Just go through your house and pick up 10 items that you can live without. That's going to make you feel better. Or if taking a large space is a little too much, just try taking a small space like a closet or a cupboard drawer. Now here's a look back at where we started. All the clutter, all the things piled up. And this is after. A much more streamlined space, has a lot more room in it. This is just a small section of the basement. This is just where I'll be sitting and doing some of the talking for the video presentations. So that's about it this time. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up, and leave a comment if you'd like to see more decluttering videos and anything in particular you'd like to know about or any tips you might want to share. Thanks again for watching.